Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with another video. If this is your first time, welcome. I do beauty, cosplay, and green eco beauty just to help the environment. I'm very eco-friendly. I'm trying to transition to that lifestyle. But this is my New Year's Eve look. I know you guys are excited for this as I am. I really like this look. I think it's super cute. I'm so excited about my dress. It is gorgeous. You guys will see it at the end. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's so pretty. It's so New Year's Eve. I'm so excited. You guys gotta stay tuned. But let's get into this beautiful makeup look because I'm about to snap. So let's get into it. Why did I smell this like this would smell like blueberries? Imagine if your makeup smell, I don't think that's sanitary or should be labeled as sanitary. I don't know. That's Taro bubble tea. 10 for the flavor, but 0 for the tapioca pearls. They taste like silicone. Super weird. That was a workout. I'm gonna go on with barista.
Alright, so we're going in with that brown color from the Target eyeshadow palette. Going to just brush that all on the lid, trying not to go too high. When they go low, we do not go high. Then we're gonna brush that under the eyes too as well. I like this
color. What are you guys' New Year's resolutions? I just want to be happy. I feel like 2020 was a year of sorrow, for sure. It was very sad. Like Kobe Bryant died. That was horrible. Still sad about that. I always wanted to see Kobe play. My mom's from Cali. And I've always I consider myself from California. I have no hometown generally, but I do. And I've always wanted to see him play before he retired. I never got to, of course. But I was like, maybe I could see him at like a all-star game or something. I don't think it works like that. But this year was really crappy. My dog died. So sad about that. Still traumatized about that. I'm so sad. But I'm trying to not focus on the negatives. I think, and I know that's so like far-fetched to say because that's so hard to like not do. But when you focus on all the positive things you've done this year, it just motivates you to do better. This is such a pretty blue.
Even though this eyeshadow is so pretty, it like stains your skin. I don't like makeup that does that, so I will not continue to purchase this makeup, even though I love the pigment and
I was gonna
colors.
put a eyeliner on this. I don't even want to touch it, to be honest. Oh, this is gonna go perfect with the dress. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So pretty. This is so pretty.
I just don't think it's healthy if you have a makeup that stains your skin. Like, that's weird the next day.
Taking iced latte from that palette and then just brushing it under. This is so pretty.
Okay, so the proper brush for this would not be this tapered brush. Blending brush. It needs to be like a more defined brush. I'm gonna get better with my brushes. Don't worry, you guys. I've been investing.
Glamorous. Somebody riddle me that. Why do they play Charlie and the Chocolate Factory around this time? I noticed they played around Easter time. They played around this time. Why do they do that? I just want to know why. I always thought it was released around Christmas time. I don't know, but they don't do that. I don't know. We want to look snatched, so I'm just going to contour really hard. I need some. No, I don't. I have highlighters. This is so pretty. Looks super pretty.
Now we are contouring. This is my favorite part. I used to love me some Fenty Beauty sticks. I'm looking for something more organic. I cannot find that, so I'm gonna keep looking. But we're gonna put this everywhere. We want to look very snatched and defined for the new year. I think blending this out is my favorite part. I can't wait, y'all.
I haven't contoured like this in a while. Shout out to my sister. She got me. I have like over 100 makeup sponges. I'm not mad at it. You can never have too many makeup sponges.
My whole family got me makeup sponges, beauty blenders, and makeup wipes for Christmas. Like, I was in heaven. And eyelashes. I have so many false eyelashes. Can't wait to use them. I'm so excited. It's gonna be good. But yeah, now we're gonna blend out. You're gonna blend out those harsh lines. Beware when you do when you do contour with like a contour stick. It's very easy to have a harsh line and not fully blendable. Just definitely be mindful of that. This process does take me a while. That's why I really don't like to contour so much, because like the blending is just very tedious. You got to be on it. It's like, yeah, but it's once you do like blend it out really good, it's a really good technique.
This look is so good. Very happy. Now I need to set this powder. So I cannot like freaking find my contour, so I'm just gonna go in these two shades. I'm neutral, so these will work in my favor. I just want like a really chiseled contour. This is a good mirror.
That mirror I'm talking about is the Minted Cosmetics palette. It's a really good palette. It's like a neutral brown palette. I really recommend it. It's good cost too as well. So, and it comes with a cute big ass mirror. Gotta love that. Make sure you blend out that nose contour. You don't like a harsh nose contour. And them cheekbones. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Sorry, y'all. But yes, blend to your heart's content, for sure.
Now we're gonna highlight my favorite part. I will feel crazy if this is not recording.
My new camera does this weird thing where when I'm recording, it cuts off whenever it wants. So like I miss vital parts. I'm like, what the heck? It's a lovely camera, but like, what the heck? Now we're going in with this highlighter. Again, this is from that same company that like the makeup stains your skin. So I will not be saying their name, recommending them. I'm just not gonna buy from them anymore. I have to find some organic highlighter, which is really hard to find.
For the lashes, my favorite part.
Now we're going in with Minted Cosmetics. This is their lip liner in the shade Night. I like this lip liner. I will be purchasing, I think, again, or I'm gonna try another color. They have such good brown nude colors in their collection, so I do recommend it for all my POCs. Minted Cosmetics is a Black-owned company. They aren't, I don't think, organic, but they are cruelty-free, so that does matter to me for sure. Now we're using Givenchy, their lip gloss. This is in the color Natural. I love this lip gloss. It's like a pretty natural.
I just want a little bit more sheen.
Then I'm going in with some Beauty Supply Store lip gloss. This is the Rose Hip Oil Shiny Gloss. Now, I didn't get to show this all off, but I put rhinestones under my eyes. This was the final look. I really liked it. I used some, not dollar store, some Beauty Supply Store lashes. I had so much fun. I hung out with Sadie. That's one of my friends you guys see on my gram.
Finish it off, but it still looks good. So good. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did making it. I'll see you guys